Hello everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're cooking a creamy, comforting mac and cheese and finishing it with a crispy, savory, garlicky panko breadcrumb. Here are the ingredients: garlic, butter, some sweet corn, some flour, some milk. We're gonna use some American yellow mustard, some Worcestershire sauce, and of course macaroni pasta. Yeah, let's have a look at the ingredients again. So let's get started. Start by mincing our garlic, and then same with the onions. I'm gonna slice it into lengthwise. In a big saucepan, let's melt the butter. First, we're gonna put some vegetable oil so the butter doesn't burn. Let's say about 50 grams of butter. Then once the butter is melted, let's add in the garlic and the onions. And let's cook it until brown. It's time to add in the flour. We're gonna kind of make a roux. That should be enough. Half a cup of flour. Stir it together to form a roux. Should look like a smooth paste, almost like a wet sand. Cook this for a minute or two, stirring constantly. It's time to put our American mustard, yellow mustard. You could use any mustard you like. Make a mac and cheese. Now slowly pour in the milk, stirring it slowly until it's smooth. Let that simmer. We're ready to cook our pasta. The water is boiling. Just make sure you salt the pasta water. Now we now add our sweet corn. Some Worcestershire sauce. It's a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add in a little bit the pasta sauce. I want it a little bit runny. Don't let your pasta stick on the bottom. We're gonna cook the pasta until al dente. That's the consistency I like. Some black pepper. I got some grated mature cheddar cheese. Now for the best part. Stir gently until all the cheese melts into the sauce. Pasta is cooked. It's still al dente. Don't rinse it, just put it straight into the sauce. Make sure every macaroni pasta is covered with the cheese. Now we pour everything in a baking dish. Then we're gonna put the remaining grated cheddar cheese on top. This is gonna create a nice golden brown color. And then into a 190 degrees oven for about 45 minutes until the top is nice and golden brown. And then after 45 minutes, this is how it looks like. Wow, nice. That smells good. We're gonna let it rest. In the meantime, we're gonna make our crispy breadcrumb stuffing with some garlic and some ham.
Oh no!
Sorry about that. Kitchen is falling apart. We're gonna chop the ham into small pieces. You can use a smoky, streaky bacon, but this is what I have right now. I saute our garlic. Now we mix it with the ham. Let it brown a little bit. Now it's time to put our Panko breadcrumbs. Almost like you're making tiny croutons. We're gonna put a little bit of thyme. If you've never tried mac and cheese like this before, this might become your new favorite version. I like this crispy topping. Okay, the toppings is done. Now we're gonna start plating. I prepared a little bit of oriental salad earlier. This is gonna be our dinner. This is what I'm talking about. Wow. That's a good portion. Now it's time to put our crispy toppings. You can put as much as you want. That's gonna make it really savory, crispy. Okay guys, that's how you make your mac and cheese. Let's give it a try. Wow. Okay guys, thank you for cooking with me today. So I'll see you in the next recipe. Until then, keep cooking and keep it delicious. Yummy.